Alright, here today I'm going to teach you a step on how to format your system to a Windows 7 with a flash drive. And that's the flash drive that contains your Windows 7 on it. Uh, First of all, you plug it to your USB flash, USB, plug the flash drive to your USB on your computer. And this is a Dell laptop. You press your F12 key. That's the boot menu. Your F12 key is the boot menu for their laptop. You can see the window is loading. Windows is loading files. Windows is loading files. Wait for some time and have it load the files, the windows, to where we'll continue our installation for master installations. Alright, this is it. Up there we have English, and I believe we're going to use our English here because it's a language where we believe everyone understands. And the next option you just have to do here, the English already highlighted, and you just click next, and click install now, and when setup is starting. Right, this is the next stage. We find ourselves here where we have his um, Windows 7 Home Basic, okay, Starter Home 86 and 36-bit. I'm going to make use of our 64-bit here, and then click next. Choose any of your choice and just click next. And I have my 64 Windows there. Click accept here, accept license and terms, and click next. Choose the second option, custom advanced. Here you can as well choose. It's either you want to format your system or just want to do just a straight installation without losing your files. You can just click next after it is highlighted, just like this here. Now just click next and you just have it move straight. Or you click the drive options where you get your format and the delete and the creating of new partitions. If not so, you just click next. Okay, just watch me. See there, you have your delete, you have your format, and you have your new. If you delete, you create a new partition and then you format. If not, all you just need to do, if you have some important document on your system and you don't want to lose any, all you just need to do here, or you have to do, is just to go straight to your the next icon, and then you click next. As you can see, I'm not going to format. I'm just going to click in next because I have some important information on the system, so we don't necessarily have to format. We will just run a straight installation so that we can have our backup on our Windows.o. Begins. Installation of the new Windows begins. Here we're going to have our 100%, and complete installation. Go to end, and everything will just work smoothly, and we get a fresh and new and vibrant Windows on it. start and then continue again. Just wait a moment. The finishing process of all the installation aspect of it has been done, and here we're signing in our username. Probably if you need to if you want to introduce your password on your laptop or your PC, you can as well do after here. But if not, just bypass and continue putting straight to the Windows environment. And this is it here where you input your username. You look the type a username, and you click next your next, or after putting your username you click next. We are done here for today. Please, this is just a simple way and simple way to subscribe to our channel, notification button, and you have us back always at any time. Please don't fail. If you have any important question, anything to ask, feel free. Just click on our comment section, put it down there. When we get back, we're gonna give you your answer. Please do well. If this video have helped you a lot, just do well to share it to. Yeah, this is just the Windows environment, and this is the end of it. Please just do well to share it, do well to share and subscribe to our channel to get
Sure.
more